Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start our personal information settings. We are going to see how can we manage our personal information settings. First of all, you can see I have to click on the personal information settings, and then after that you have to just click on personal info. Now you can see personal info and option to manage it. You can make some of this info like your contact detail visible to others so that it will not now you can see that so you can see that here is the option for our personal information and options to manage it so that we can maintain it so that after here we have to see the photo. You can see our photo, then here's the name. We can also change our photo from here as click on change so that here is the aunt. So that here is the deer. I select it. Here are the multiple colors, so I click on save as our profile picture as so I click on got it as soon as I click on. So after that you can see here's my date of birth, here is my name, it is gender. I can also update my date of birth so that you can update any kind of information from here. Sorry for disturbing. Mm, so much sorry for that disturbing. Now I select here the day 17 as that is 17. After that, here is my year, date of year, and choose who can see your birthday. Only you, anyone. So I click on only you. I can also click on anyone, and then I click on save. Okay, yes, is that correct? I am 24 years old. Now going back and seeing other personal information. Here you can see email. I can also edit my email so that you can change email here. Okay, the address used in your Google account, and you can change this address. Okay, we cannot change it for recovery email, contact mail, and alternate mail. Other email address you can also use to sign in. We can also use the alternate email. We can add about me email. These are all informations, the personal information settings of my Google account. Now we have to move before see how your different profiles appear, how your different profiles appear, so that here decide what personal information you make visible. Moving below here is the input language. The input language is the English and English language, so that language input tool, type more easily in your language, accessibility, high contrast color. And these are all the personal information settings. You can also change your password here. You can see as the option for changing in the password settings. And that were all the preference for Google services.